Good morning, I am Marta Modolo, Marie Curie Fellow. I started my project on the month of August at the University of Ferrara under the scientific supervision of Professor Marco Peresani. The main goal of this poster presentation is to introduce my project named Attesting Neanderthal Dwelling Space Use Effect of Human Occupation in the Middle Paleolithic Record of Fumane Cave. The project focuses on the need to extend our knowledge about Middle Paleolithic record and to understand the range of Neanderthal variability. The research objectives are the assessment of duration, the number of intra-site occupation phases, and the identification of different activity areas within the archaeological units A9, A6 and A5. This important site, located in the north of Italy, is particularly suitable for the application of this methodology thanks to the extensive excavation carried out during the last decades and for the intense anthropic accumulation as attested by bones, lithic, charcoals and earth structures. To answer the scientific question and objective, an integrated and original multidisciplinary methodology has been adopted. Although many projects or works have attempted to identify special patterns and activity areas within sites, fauna refits are still poorly applied. And for the first time, this project will integrate fauna refits that have been never carried out at Fumane Cave, geostatistical methods and 3D modeling. First of all, I will focus on manually bone refits. All remains will be physically distributed on work tables, and both mechanical and anatomical refits will be taken into account. And I will conduct this first phase at the University of Ferrara. The next step concerns data processing and spatial analysis and interpretation, employing GIS and air programming languages. The plotted fragments will be processed with multivariate statistical test techniques such as k-mean cluster analysis, hierarchical classification methods, discriminant and point pattern analysis. To acquire high-level tools, I will take part into a specialized workshop dedicated on point pattern analysis at the University of Newcastle, led by Dr. Francesco Carrer. The third phase is dedicated to a 3D scan of a sample of bones, more or less 150 or 2000 samples. After scanning, geometrical analysis with statistic test will be undertaken to test the feasibility of this method. And what I would like to do is to experimentally find a tool that will help to automatically or semi-automatically refit bones. Because, as many of scientists know, refits is time-consuming and depend on the research experience. I will conduct this third phase at the University of Jerusalem under the scientific supervision of Professor Lior Grossman. If results will be positive, we expect to open up new perspective on zooarchaeological method, but also to contribute to the knowledge of Neanderthal lifeways. I hope you will enjoy my poster, and if you have some question, please contact me by email. Thank you very much for your attention.